Hello guys, I'm Jane. Today I'm gonna unlock the secret surprises. We have put a lot of warranty card in the package, but among all the warranty cards, we secretly prepared some surprises for you. So for different kind of package, we randomly put a series of interesting, very smart design cards into the package. So in the package, when you receive a PCB board card like this, on one side, it tells you how to register your membership with the card. The other side actually are the surprises. So you may get the mountain card, you may get the focus card, the balance card, the peace card, the recovery card, the relax card. Among all of these different kind of cards, you will get two beautiful, cute dog cards. So here is Spring, one of our Zenowell dog. The other is 15. 15 is here. So for all of these cards are the secret surprises we prepared for the reminders that in your daily life, just try to stay connected with yourself, with the whole nature, with the loved pets surrounding you. And another very important function is kind of a symbol to unlock your Zenowell journey with the card. At first, when you get the card, you just put the electrode on the ear shape, and then you select a mode, turn on the switch, you increase the intensity. You will find some amazing part, like say for 15, you will see 15's eyes are sparkling to you. Try to unlock the secret surprises we prepared for you, and do show your secret to the social media to tell other people what kind of card you received and what kind of surprise you found from the card. Yeah, all of these cards are prepared for all of you.